To enjoy all the benefits of your Vicks Ultrasonic CoolRelief and VapoSteam humidifier, follow these helpful steps. Make sure your humidifier is on a firm, level, water-resistant surface, at least 12 inches from the wall. To fill, remove the water tank and remove the cap by turning the arrow towards the open lock symbol. Fill the water tank with cool water. Then, secure the cap by twisting firmly into locked position. Place the tank back on the base. Make sure your humidifier is turned off before plugging it in. To use your Ultrasonic CoolRelief with Vicks VapoSteam, add 1 tablespoon of the inhalant to the medicine cup. To use Vicks VapoPads, insert the VapoPad into the scent pad slot. Up to 2 pads can be inserted. Turn the control knob to your desired setting. When a comfortable humidity level has been reached, adjust the control knob to a lower setting. Your ideal humidity level should be between 40 and 60%. If you notice condensation or dampness around the humidifier, turn the mist level down. Relax and enjoy your Vicks Ultrasonic CoolRelief and VapoSteam humidifier. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit VicksHumidifiers.com.